agus fáilte go dtí topic nua sláinte. Sláinte sin health. Okay? Intini fáilime, learning intentions. Iver hain by fuchtlóir a gum an gurp agus an tláinte. I will have a vocabulary on the body and health. By mé ábalta abertí a astrú madidir leis an tláinte. I will be able to translate some sentences to do with health. By mé ábalta bríre a úsáid san Aimsir Fháistineach. I will be using verbs, able to use verbs in the future tense. Okay, so aráig linn go dtí task a hain. Okay, task a hain on curp, the body. Okay, so tá fuchlóir an seo a gin. Okay, so matchall gach fucal leis an iver. Okay, so le chéile. Okay, so repeat what you hear. Okay, to be able to pronounce the words. All right, so have a little look around the place. Are you in a nice quiet place? No distractions. Okay, after me. Drim, gluin, muinail, cus, mare, ceann, bail, routine, bullag, súl, shrone, gualan, fiacla, lecan, cleavrach, biola, láv, cluas, smig, rusta, aig. Okay, on a what? So, now you've done that. Scríomh fuchlóir isteach sa chópleabhar. Okay, scríomh isteach sa chópleabhar. Extra challenge that you can do here, guys, is record yourself saying those words, okay, and add it in, and I'll take that into account for your grade. Okay, so there's an extra challenge for you. Okay, task ivre dó. Cuairt an duchtúir. Okay, so matchall agus scríomh isteach sa chópleabhar. So which one's which? Tá tinnis fiacla orm. Tinnis fiacla. Céin iver? Sin iver a sé. Tinnis fiacla. Okay, so I have a toothache. So make sure you look up one or two of these, guys. You're going to need to look these up. There's a lot of new words here. All right, so make sure you do that. The one at the bottom there. Okay, yeah, optional. Okay, extra challenge. You don't have to include those, but there's lots of different ones. Or if you wanted to do this one instead. Okay, so I'll give you an option between the top one and the bottom one. Scríomh an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. An Gaeilge agus an Béarla. Tá pein mo ghúlan. Cad é sin? I have a pain in my shoulder. Okay? Pein am a gluan, pein am a vullag. Tá mo grim nivnach. Tá slaidan orm. Tá tinnis cín orm. So scríomh an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. Okay? On a what? Iver 3. Okay, task iver 3. On a what? Timpiste a chorla dom. Okay, so tá buacail an seo. Balló dhearmh. Is mise armh. Cuirteag mé mo chus dé saharn se chatte. Bhí mé ag imirt cluiche pelle le mo chlub. Bhí mé ag ri leis an líróid nuair a gramig céile carach mé. Scríab a study mé agus thusig mé a cur fulla. Okay, what happened to this fella? What was the timpiste, the accident that happened? Well, look at all the lovely words that you're going to write into your copy. Buska gurum and shin, the blue box. There's lots of these words in the paragraph, so they will help you to understand what's going on. Okay, so option is to answer the questions. Okay, that's one option, or to write the Busca Gurum Isteach sa Chopler. Okay, you can do one or the other, or you can do both. Sin task 3. Okay, task Cahar. This is very much connected with these words. Okay, Busca Gurum. Gurtig me mo chus in ye. Gurtig me. Can you see there? Gurtig. There you go. Gurtig me. I injured. Mo chus. What's a cus? Well, if you did this correctly, you would know that cus is a foot. So, gurtig me mo chus in ye. I injured my foot yesterday. All right? And do it like that. Just piece it together. Okay? And you'll be well able to do it. Do as many as you can. Okay? Sin task iver a cahar. Okay. Task iver a cuig. Task iver a cuig. On Aimsir Fháistineach. Future tense. Raim nu a hain. Raim nu a do. Okay. Do you remember this? Raim nu a hain. Shulla awan. 1 syllable. Féach. Brish. 1 syllable. Muhig. I rig. 2 syllables. Raim nu a do. Okay, so they have different endings. You're going to see different endings here. Okay, féach, the verb to look. So, féachi me, I will look. Féachi tu, you will look. Féachi sé, he will look. Féachi she will look. Féachimid, we will look. Féachi shiv, you all will look. Féachi siad, they will look. Jiltok, ni éachi tu, you will not look. An véachi tu, will you look? Okay, so look at the jiltok. Ni plus H. Ni éachi, that FH, shevu, okay, that shevu is there. Shevu is a H. And kestok, an véachi. What's that BH? What do we call that again? My brother got caught not doing dishes today. Nobody gets blueberry pie before he finishes. BHF, before he finishes. That's your uru. So when it's a keshduk, we need to use the uru. On marishi tu, will you break? On muhoi tu, there's no uru for M, so it's just stays the same. On muhoi tu, will you feel? On iroi, she, will she get up? Okay, so you have the meanings of those verbs, guys. Okay, so when you've gone through them and you've noticed what's going on here, what endings are being used, we now look at this. Okay, and this is task iver a cuic. Con may. Okay, let's go and look at con, C-A-N. Where is it there? Oh, it's not there. Okay, but con is raim nu a hain, so it's the same like féach. Okay, so con he may. I will sing. Okay, I will sing. Okay, so have a look and see how many of those you can do. Okay, Onawa. Phil. So is it raim nu hain, raim nu do? Thou sig. I roi. Con. Phil. Thou soig. Okay, so there's a bit of repetition. So if they're raim nu a hain, we're going for the top ones. Raim nu a do, the bottom ones. Okay, and just see how you get on with these. Worst case scenario, if you can't do those, write this page. Write these examples into your coupler. Okay, that's if you're not able to do any of them or not even able to give them a go. Okay, Dúlan Brescia, extra challenge. If anyone wants an extra challenge, Lanaraig, ... Okay, more of these ones here. You may be able to do some of them. Top ones are raim nu a hain, bottom ones are raim nu a do. Okay, so bon trilas, give it a go. Okay, Sinead, slán go fóill.